Hi, this is Tim with OS College, and this is a quick video about Microsoft Excel Online. And this video we're going to be looking at adding a comment to a cell. So the first thing you want to do is click the desired cell. I'm going to go for this Cinsa SRX 1x11 cassette, and I want to go with A1 cell, so the text shows in the formula bar. And then there are three ways to insert a comment. The first way is simply to go to this comments and then click in the pane that opens, click new comment. Also, you can click the insert ribbon and then go to new comment, and when you do these, a dialog will appear next to the cell where you want to make the comment. And the third way is to right click on the cell, and then in the menu that appears, click new comment. And so when the dialog appears, simply type your comment in the text box. And when you're done typing, click post comment, and you can click this comments to see a list of all your different comments. If I had multiple comments throughout the spreadsheet, there would be several different boxes listed here in the pane. But and if you've clicked on another cell, you'll see this purple mark up in the right hand corner of the cell with the comment, and you just move your cursor over to it to reveal the comment in the dialog box. And there's these three dots in the top right corner of the box, and you can edit the comment, you can delete the thread or resolve, and then also you can make a comment, or those collaborating on the document can make a comment. And then any replies when you're typing those, simply click this, or as it's showing, hit Command plus Return if you're using a Mac. If you're using this on Windows or a Linux distro, it would be Control plus Return or Enter. So you just go and that is basically how you make a comment and edit the comment or delete it in Microsoft Excel Online. This quick video from OS College has been about inserting, editing, and deleting a comment in Microsoft Excel Online, the version of Microsoft Office that can be accessed through any web browser on Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, or just about any Linux distro. Be sure to click subscribe and like in the video to receive notifications of future videos. You also can watch other videos about Microsoft Excel Online, other Office Online applications, as well as other applications on OS College's YouTube channel. The OS College website, oscollege.com, has more videos, articles, and other information about various applications. Also, check out the OS College Facebook page. Quick videos or 2 or 5-minute videos about a particular aspect or function in an application. Thank you for watching.